CIEN Stock Analysis. This is for Friday and onward. Am I buying is the question, and I'm answering this in this short 1-minute video. Ciena Stock, Ciena Corporation. Bro, since my last video, which by the way I was long on, the price just blew up. Like, I literally paved the path. I was expecting it to come up 70%, and it did what? It went up 90 or something. Here's the proof of my previous video. So this video was made in March, 8th of March. Ooh, I forgot that I just closed this. This is how, like, what I drew. I paused the recording, but just to kind of briefly explain it, I think I was here just showing you the proof. But here's the proof of me calling it out beforehand. I also have to put the link here. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Okay, I got it. I forget things, man. Dementia. No. But yeah, if the price pulls down and gives me a double break, then and only then this is something that I will long. Everything else is noise. See you in the next one. There is a free newsletter. First link in the description. See ya. Made it quick.